Okay, Dana, new this morning, a Valley hospital is trying to tackle the opioid epidemic. They found a way to cut back on how often they prescribe painkillers with a unique approach.
Yeah, a lot of people in the medical world, they're wrestling with this exact same problem. And Marissa Kinnison now shows us how they're now managing a patient's pain.
I personally was a patient recently.
Chief Nursing Officer Tina Coker is normally the one caring for patients, but recently she had surgery of her own and she wasn't prescribed painkillers like oxycodone. Instead, she was given an essential oil for her wrist.
The patient can kind of control how much they wanted, but embarrassingly, I was inhaling it.
This year, a new law went into effect aimed at tackling the opioid epidemic across the state. Essentially, it adds extra steps a doctor has to take before prescribing pain medication. The medical staff at Henderson Hospital says they're already one step ahead of the game.
The most important thing is we want to address the individual patient's needs.
They've come up with unique alternatives to pain management. You'll notice diffusers in the waiting areas, essential oils offered after surgery, and music playing in the background. Tina Coker says doctors will obviously still prescribe pain medication if medically necessary, but as far as the alternatives,
it helped and it worked.
Coker is now a believer.
Sometimes these alternative medicines do work.
Marissa Kinnison, 13 Action News.
An estimated 40 million Americans battle anxiety.